Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most popular and powerful ways to invest, the S&P 500. Whether you're new to investing or looking to diversify your portfolio, the S&P 500 is a great place to start. What exactly is the S&P 500? The S&P 500 stands for Standard & Poor's 500 Index. It's a collection of 500 large U.S. companies across various industries. Think Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Tesla. Investing in the S&P 500 means investing in top U.S. companies. Why the S&P 500? Here's why. Diversification. Exposure to 500 companies spreads out your risk. Historical performance. Average annual returns of 7 to 10% make it great for long-term growth. Simplicity. An easy, hands-off way to invest without constantly monitoring the market. So how do you actually invest in the S&P 500? There are two main ways: index funds and ETFs. Index funds are mutual funds that track the S&P 500, managed by firms to mirror the S&P 500. Popular options include Vanguard 500 Index Fund and Fidelity 500 Index Fund. Open a brokerage account to buy shares. ETFs trade like stocks. Spider S&P 500 ETF, SPY, and Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO, are popular. Buy and sell them throughout the day. ETFs usually have lower fees. Open a brokerage account and start buying shares. Next up, where should you invest? There are plenty of platforms to choose from. Here are a few top ones. Robinhood, great for beginners, zero commissions. Fidelity, low fees, solid customer service. Charles Schwab, low-cost options, excellent tools. Vanguard, low fees, long-term growth. Now let's talk about how much you should invest. The great thing about the S&P 500 is that you can start with any amount. Some platforms even let you invest with just $1. However, if you're looking for long-term growth, aim to invest regularly, like $100 or $500 each month. The key is consistency and letting time work in your favor. As with any investment, there are risks. While the S&P 500 has historically gone up over time, there will still be ups and downs. It's important to remember that stock markets can be volatile in the short term. So don't panic during market dips. The best approach is to invest for the long term and stay disciplined. Investing in the S&P 500 is one of the easiest and most effective ways to build wealth over time. Index funds or ETFs offer broad market exposure with relatively low risk. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more investing tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Outro music.